Hello students, let's start today comparison and operations on ratios. See here, if A, B, C, D are positive numbers such that B is greater than 0 and D is greater than 0, then comparison of the ratios A upon B and C upon D are as follows. Hey, dear students, observe carefully. There are three comparisons. How, sir? Watch it. First, if A into D is greater than B into C, then A upon B is also greater than C upon D. There is a one condition. One more condition. What about less than? Second, if A into D less than B into C, got it? Then once again, A upon B less than C upon D, greater than, less than. Two conditions are over. Sir, what about equality? Once again, third case, if AD is equal to BC, obviously then these both ratios are equal, which is equal to C upon D. This is called comparison between two ratios. Always remember, both the ratios, denominator B and D, they are greater than 0. You must know, if denominator is 0, then that fraction, that ratio will be not defined. Got it? Let's watch some operations on equal ratio, because all these three conditions are belongs to the comparison. Now watch some typical operations on equal ratio. What about on equal ratio? Observe carefully. Equal ratios like this. Here, A upon B equal to C upon D. These both ratios are equivalent to each other. Then there are different operations. So what are these operations? First operation, first property is called as invertendo. Invertendo. First one, which is known as invertendo. Yes, observe carefully. What is invertendo? Reciprocal of given ratio is known as invertendo. How? Watch carefully. If A upon B equal to C upon D, then B upon A equal to D upon C. Dear students, observe carefully. A upon B का reciprocal B upon A यानी inverse. C upon D का reciprocal D upon C यानी inverse. So both the reciprocal ratios are also equivalent, is known as invertendo property. Now let's watch second operation. See, operation number 2, which is called as alternando. alternando. Watch carefully. What is alternando? Wow, numerator of first fraction and numerator of second fraction इनका division which is equal to denominators का division, that is called alternando. आओ देखो कितना आसान है. If a upon b equal to c upon d, then मैंने कहा division of numerator equal to division of denominator. So we will write like this: a upon c equal to b upon d. Wow, numerator का division, denominator का division. Yes, this is called alternando. Beta, alternando can be reverse way also. You can say like this also, or watch it. C upon A equal to D upon B. If you observe these both the ratios with each other, so they are invertendo to each other, reciprocal to each other. Got it? Come on, let's watch third operation. One more operation. See, some interesting operations are there, and those operations you have to use to solve the question. Third one. Third operation, which is called as componendo. Componendo. Yes. What is componendo? It means we have to add it at the place of numerator, denominator. How? See here. If A upon B equal to C upon D, then observe carefully what is my componendo property. That is A plus B upon B equal to C plus D upon D. Yes, this is called componendo. You know what? Componendo property proved by or prepared by adding 1 to both the sides. Both the sides means LHS and RHS में A upon B और C upon D में आप +1 करोगे तो आपको ये रिजल्ट मिलेगा by cross multiplication. One more property, property number 4, which is dividendo. Yes, property number 4, that is dividendo. Now, what is dividendo? बेटा कंपोनेंडो में अगर ऐड होता है तो डिविडेंडो में क्या होगा? हाँ, करेक्ट, सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. ये देखो, we'll write like this: if A upon B equal to C upon D, then A minus B upon B equal to C minus D upon D. You must know these all operations very carefully. You have to prepare, you have to by heart. By heart means don't try to mug up. Try to write, because writing practice is very important. Wow! One more important property, which is a mixture of these two. That is, third property is componendo, fourth property is dividendo. So if both the properties will get together, then what will happen? Watch it. Property number 5. Componendo, dividendo. Both are together. Componendo, dividendo. First componendo, second dividendo. It means what? We have to divide these both the ratios. You will get componendo, dividendo. Watch it. If A upon B equal to C upon D, then addition of numerator and denominator divided by subtraction, A plus B upon A minus B, which is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. देखो, इन दोनों रेशो को अगर आप डिवाइड करते हो तो आपको प्रॉपरली यहां पे ये वाला प्रॉपर्टी मिलेगा. इज इट क्लियर? So this is called componendo dividendo. Dear student, here one more important term is there. We cannot solve any question by dividendo componendo. उल्टा बहुत सारे बच्चे इसमें मिस्टेक करते हैं. अगर डिविडेंडो और कंपोनेंडो का क्वेश्चन दिया है तो वैसे ही सॉल्व करते. गलत. आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन न्यूमरेटर में और एडिशन डिनोमिनेटर में दिया होगा तो यू हैव टू find invertendo of that particular fraction and then apply this property. You know what? आपने मूवी देखा है? शोले देखा है कभी? हाँ, उसमें एक डायलॉग है, लोहा लोहे को काटता है. पता है? हाँ सर, याद है. ये वही है. This is the only one property is there. By the same property application you will get your simplified answer. नहीं समझे? फिर से सुनो. कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो ऐसा प्रॉपर्टी है जिसे फिर से वही प्रॉपर्टी हम अप्लाई करें तो हमें हमारा रिक्वायर्ड आंसर मिल जाता है. Whatever the question is there, if that question is in terms of componendo dividendo property, so apply same property with respect to that question. So you will get your answer A upon B manner. There is one more important property, but that property is not in your 9th standard syllabus. But you must know that. Property number 6. Watch carefully. Convertendo. Convertendo. Yes. This property is belongs to dividendo का reciprocal. ये जो dividendo property आपको दिखाई दे रही है उसको invertendo करो. That is called convertendo. Now, how it is? If A upon B equal to C upon D, which then we will write B upon A minus B equal to D upon C minus D. This property is not there in your 9th standard syllabus, but once you are going to approach entrance examination, at that time this one is required. So you must know this property. There is one more important concept we can cover in this particular slot. What is that concept? Equal ratio. Theorem on equal ratio. Hey, watch carefully what I'm going to present in front of you. Theorem on equal ratio. Yes, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है. राइट? अब नाउ वॉच केयरफुली. थ्योरम ऑन इक्वल रेशियो छोटा सा पार्ट है. देखो यहां पर. इफ A upon B equal to C upon D equal to E upon F, which is equal to K. Right? So what is this K? Boss, K is known as, always remember, each ratio. इसे each ratio. Theorem on equal ratio क्या कहता है? Whatever the property you are going to apply at the place of numerator, same property you have to apply at the place of denominator. यानी यहां पर देखो K equal to A plus C plus E divided by B plus D plus F. वाओ, कुछ समझा? न्यूमरेटर में मैंने ऐड किया तो डिनोमिनेटर में भी ऐड हो गया. You know what? Actually, this concept is known as addendo, right? लेकिन हम लोग रेगुलर 9th स्टैंडर्ड सिलेबस में उसे यूज नहीं करते. You must remember this is also called as addendo. One more. Therefore, K equal to can be 1 minus C minus E upon B minus D minus F. Yes, this is also correct. न्यूमरेटर में सबका सब्ट्रैक्शन अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर में सबका सब्ट्रैक्शन. दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज नोन एज सबट्रेंडो. बट वो भी हम लोग 9th के लिए रेगुलर में यूज नहीं करते. है कि नहीं? But you must know this. फिर शायद someone will ask, sir, is there any property addition and subtraction will mix over there? Yes, you can. But remember, with respect to their corresponding denominators, you have to apply the property like this. Therefore, k equal to, agar a plus c minus e, so we can say that b plus d minus f. Yes, this is mixed combination. This is also correct. But don't try to say कि mix and do. ना ना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Addendo and subtrahendo will mix together. But you can operate with respect to this property. Is it clear? One more last important concept. If you are going to multiply by non-zero scalar multiple to any ratio at the place of numerator, you have to multiply by same number at the place of denominator. Like this. Watch it. K equal to, we can write beta LA plus NC minus ME. A multiply by L, C multiply by N, E multiply by M, and there is addition subtraction. So we can write LB plus ND minus MF like this also. Perfect. So guys, how you feel to know this? Some comparison and special operation belongs to the ratios. We already learned this comparison and operations on some ratios and theorem on equal ratio. While solving the question depend on this, always remember you have to mention reasons by theorem on equal ratio, by componendo property, by dividendo property, by componendo dividendo property. Reason लिखना नहीं भूलना है. Is it clear? Wow, that's great.